this is the introduction video of class 9th mathematics number system chapter 1st. In this video we will discuss decimal expansion of real number. So decimal expansion we can divide into two part, terminating, non-terminating, and non-terminating also we can divide into two part, repeating or recurring, other way non-repeating, non-recurring. So first we will discuss terminating here. What is terminating? In this, or remainders become zero after some step. We can say in this or remainder becomes zero after some step. Let's see some example. In order to, here we take example as a 1/4. So if we divide 1/4, first we put here 1/4. First we put here decimal and put 0 here. 4 2 ja 8. We will get 2 as a remainder. Again we put 0 here. 4 5 ja 20. So you can see it is completely divisible. We will get 0.25. Remainders become zeros after some step. You can see here. Next, let's take another example here. 5/8. Again we divide 5/8. We put decimal here and take a 0. So 8 6 ja 48. We get 2 here. Again we put 0. 8 1 ja 8. Sorry, 8 2 ja 16. So we will get here 4. 8 5 ja 40. Isn't it? So we will get here 0.25. So remainder becomes 0 after some step. Here also remainder becomes 0 after some steps. So that number is known as, that decimal is known as terminating decimal expansion. Isn't it? Now see second one, non-terminating. What is non-terminating? We can divide non-terminating into two categories, as earlier I showed you about that. First is repeating and second one is non-repeating. So first we will see what is repeating here. Let's see one example for this. Firstly we will see here repeating decimal expansion. So you can see here we take example 2/3. If we divide 2/3, so what will we get? First we put here decimal and put 0. 3 6 ja 18. Again we got as a remainder 2. We put 0. 6 3 6 ja 18. Again we put here 2 as a remainder, put 0 again. So you can see 6 repeat again and again. There is a no remainder here. So we can write here 0 this one 6 6 6 6 6 6, so on. So we can write in a short way 6 recurring, yani we put sign of minus on 6, it means recurring 6 again and again. In simple way we can write in such that. Now take another example here. 3/11. If we divide 3 by 11, so first we put decimal and put 0 here. Take decimal and put 0 here. 11 2 ja 22. So we will get, what will we get? We will get 8 here. Again we put 0. So we 7 11 7 ja 77. So we will get 3 again. We put 0 here. 2. So we will get 22, and we will get 8 here as a remainder. Again we put 0. So 2. So you can see we will get here 0 decimal 27 27 27 27. So here two number repeat again and again. So we can put minus on two number. We can say 22 is a recurring number, isn't it? So it is a repeating decimal expansion. Now we will discuss non-repeating. Non-repeating, we can say that number in non-repeating, in this never 0, no repeat, मतलब we can say कोई नंबर रिपीट होगा. सो वी कैन राइट है √2 and √3. तो जब हम √2 के फैक्टर लॉन्ग डिवीजन मेथड से फाइंड आउट करते हैं, सो वी विल टेक ओनली द वैल्यू ऑफ √2 1.414. इट इज नॉट ए exact value, it is a approximate value of √2. So the current value of √2 never ending. You can see here any number not repeat again and again, and that it is infinite, we can say. Same as √3 1.73250807, infinite, no number repeat again and again. So we can say that are non-terminating decimal. We can take here one more example, 02 02 002 0002. So it is a non-terminating because the 0 increase again and again, not becomes 2. Here one time, next step 20, third step we have 30. So it is a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion, we can say here. We can denote it using a circle diagram here. First we take a large circle. In large circle we can take two small circle here. First circle we put non-terminating, and other circle we can take terminating. In that non-terminating circle there are repeating, one circle is repeating and other circle non-repeating, and you can see the value of repeating circle 0.181818, so on. So the number repeat again and again after some remainders, we can say. And you can see non-repeating 0.0200020002000. So the zeros increase again some steps. So we can say it is a terminating non-repeating decimal expansion. And the another circle you can see here terminating. If we divide 1 by 2, so we will get 0.5. That number is exactly divisible, and their remainder become 0 after some step. So you can see in circle here, no repeating decimal expansion we can say rational number, and non-terminating decimal expansion we can say here irrational number, and terminating decimal expansion you can see in circle diagram, it is a rational number. So only one condition we can say irrational number, non-repeating non-terminating decimal expansion. In my introduction video, there is a question of my introduction video number system. Here we took the value of pi 22/7, but the definition of irrational number is a number is not in the form of p/q, but here the value of pi 22/7 is in the form of p/q. So how come it is possible? Pi is a irrational number. So the reason being for this, that 22/7 is not the exactly value of pi. We take the value of pi for doing the question only. If we divide 22/7, so we will get 3.1428754. It is not the exact value of pi. Sometime we take the value of pi 3.14 for doing the question of surface area and volume, but here up till now we don't know the exact value of pi. We use only the approximate value of pi for doing the question. So we don't know up till now the exact value of pi. That is the reason pi is a irrational number, isn't it?